Imagine me and you, I do. I think about you day and night. It's only right.
You're in an airplane. Ready, Elise?
I'm ready.
You're on an airplane. Be fun.
Yay!
Still don't know where we're going exactly.
Nope. Somewhere.
Is that a surprise airport?
Yes. So very fine, so happy together. No matter how they toss the dice, it had to be. The only one for me is you, and you for me. So happy together. Toss the dice, it had to be. The only one for me is you, and you for me. So happy together. No matter how they toss the dice, it had to be. The only one for me is you, and you for me. So happy together. So happy together. And how is the weather? So happy together. We're happy together. So happy together.
We should get jerseys, 'cause we make a good team. But yours would look better than mine, 'cause you're out of my league. And I know that it's so cliche to tell you that every day I spend with you is the new best day of my life. Everyone watching us just turns away with disgust. It's jealousy, they can see that we've got it going on. Racking my brain for a new improved way. Yeah, you know you're more to me than what I know how to say. You're okay with the way this is going to be, 'cause this is going to be the best thing we've ever seen. If anyone can make me a better person, you could. All I gotta say is I must have done something good. Came along one day and you rearranged my life. All I gotta say is I must have done something right. I must have done something right. Or maybe I'm just lucky, 'cause it's hard to believe that somebody like you'd end up with someone like me. And I know that it's so cliche to talk about you this way, but I'll push all my inhibitions aside. It's so very obvious to everyone watching us that we have got something real good going on. Racking my brain for a new improved way. Yeah, you know you're more to me than what I know how to say. You're okay with the way this is going to be, 'cause this is going to be the best thing make me a better person. You could.
Heroines, Mark and Elise are coming, not holding hands, just get off from the airplane. They're walking towards us. Behind me are Mark's friends, families, and also the banners. And you can see, people are giving the big hand right now. They're coming. Woo!
Were you surprised?
Would you surprise? Look at it!
We want to hear the question.
Wow! Bravo! Ooh! Now Jack have jail.
Don't blush. The answer must have been yes.
Taking you with me anywhere that for the rest of my life, I want you there with me. And if there ever comes a time when I should have to leave, I hope you know that I'm taking you with me. And so I'm trying to hold it all together and make it through the day. When I'm just dying to drop it all and take your hand, so we can run away from all the miles and the hours that seem to endlessly devour the time that I could be with you.
Mark, congrats, Elise. Thank you. Thank you. Congrats.
Taking you with me anywhere that I could ever wanna be. For the rest of my life, I want you there with me. And if there ever comes a time when I should have to leave, I hope you know that second that goes by is one more second off my life, and it couldn't be more clear. I'm literally dying without you here. Yeah, every second that goes by is one more second off my life, and it couldn't be more clear. I'm dying without you here. Yeah, every second that goes by.
I had no idea that he was doing anything with the banner and all that until you guys were looking for something on the beach. And I was like, my ear was hurting because I have trouble landing on the plane. So I'm like, why are we just hovering here? What are they looking for? And then he's like, what do you see? What do you see? I'm like, But I had some idea that he had people doing up to something that. He was contacting people that I knew.
Yeah. I'm just glad you said yes, because it would have been an awkward flight home.
Said he's covered in dark chocolate.
What's on your finger?
What?
What's on your finger?
Listen, baby, ain't no mountain high, ain't no valley low, ain't no river wide enough, baby.
If you need me, call me, no matter where.